I hear it. What is it trying to do?
It's like move around. See, he's a baby. He doesn't even know what he's doing. See, that's what they do when they think their moms are here. Here. Point it to there. Hold it. It's recording, so point it right there, okay? Okay. Let's get it right here. There we go. You want to be sure and not touch it so the mommy will still take care of it. See it? Hey, you're not even filming, Emily.
What?
Point the camera at the bird. There we
Was I the first one to see it?
go. Yep. Probably just fell out of its nest. So we probably saved it.
Yeah, we saved it.
Yeah.
I have to tell us where we saved a baby bird. Where is its nest? Oh.
It probably fell down because of the rain last night.
That's what I'm thinking.
So his little nest got damaged.
I never knew what a baby bird looked like.
Can you go ahead and stop the video, please?